A very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the topic filtering data. As you can see on the screen, the topic filtering data comes in Microsoft Excel, and it is very important for all of us. While dealing the data, we need to filter it out. Depending upon the need, what we need to do, let's understand. Filtering data. It's a feature that allows you to see only those records that you want to display, and while it hides away rest of the data temporarily from the view. Why temporarily? Because we are filtering it as per the need. Later on we can retrieve all the data back. And you can filter a list to display records that meet specific criteria by using autofilter command. It can be achieved with the help of autofilter command in the Microsoft Excel. We will discuss, but before that, further, what is autofilter? It is used to display the record that we want and then temporarily hides the rest. Again the same thing, but in different perspective and different way. Filtering doesn't change data in any way. As soon as the filter is removed, the data reappears exactly in the same way as it was before. So let's understand it practically now. So as you can see, we have a table in front of us with the fields roll number, name, house, English, Hindi, maths, total and grades. So if I want to use filter, the first thing is in the home tab you can find the option of filter and sort and filter option, where this filter option is used to get this here, right? And when we click on this arrow key, we can further look for the category of houses: blue, green, red, yellow. Suppose I look for red and blue, so I'll be able to filter the data only for red and blue house. It is also possible for me to filter 3 or to filter 1, right? And I can deselect all as well, or I can select any one. Fine. Now the next thing is, when we defilter all the things, we can get select all and all the content will be visible once again. The same thing we can try on grade as well. On the grade, suppose if I want to see all the students having A grade, so it will be showing only those people having A grade. And if I want to increase it, increase my list, then I can use A and B, both the grades. Fine. So this way we can do the filtering. And in the filtering, the next thing, it can be achieved with the help of data also. In the data tab, we need to click on the filter option, which is there in sort and filter group. So these two methods we can use for filtering. Next is about the defiltration. So what is defiltration? Let's see. Defiltration means, deactivating filter means we need to click on the clear button in the sort and filter group, which is there on the data tab. Fine. So this is very simple. For deactivating filter, we need to click over here once again, and the filter icon is gone and there is no filter right now. And suppose this filter is further working, and suppose if I am using these two, then here also we have an option of clear filter, which we can choose to unfilter the data, right? So these are some ways for making the things filterized. Depending upon the need, we can filter the data as well as we can deactivate the filter. And filter can be applied on different columns wherever we have some data which is categorized, and the same thing can be achieved on different columns. Suppose if I want to look for highest marks, so I can find it. So practice it and clear your doubts while watching it multiple times. Thank you so much.